Hello brothers and sisters, welcome to your 25th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the previous tutorial, you learned CSS padding. In this tutorial, you will learn CSS height and width properties. So let's get started. Okay guys, in CSS, the height and width properties are used to set the height and width of an element. Alright? And remember, the height and width do not include padding, borders, or margin. Okay? It sets the height or width of an area inside the padding, border, and margin of an element. Alright. Now, let me demonstrate what I'm talking about to you here. Okay? I put a background to my div. Because I have not specified the width and the height, you can see it is very narrow. Alright. Now, I will put height and width properties here. Okay, so to start, I will say height. So the height, let me say 200 pixels or 250 pixels. Let me save it. You will see. You can see now that is the height of our div. Okay, what about the width? Okay, now the width, I will say width 650 pixels. Let me save it. Refresh my page. Okay, so the width is 650 and the height is 250 pixels. Alright. Okay, now I will put my width to be, let me say 1700 pixels. Save it, refresh. You can see now because the width is too large, it has created this scroll bar down here. Alright, you can see it has created this scroll bar. Okay, alright. Now to remove this scroll bar, what you do, instead of saying width, you say max width. Alright, so the maximum width property is used to set the maximum width of an element. So using maximum width will not bring this scroll bar that the width alone brought here, because we just specified the width without saying maximum width. So by specifying max width, this scroll bar will not be displayed here. So the value for this is max width. Alright, now I will say max width instead of width alone. Let me say max width. Save it. Refresh. You can see now the scroll bar has disappeared because we said max width. You can even say minimum width. Alright. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you have learned something. In the next tutorial, you will learn CSS box model. So I will see you there.